There's certain brands you stay away from.
There goes a bullet train.
Really?
Model Power, don't even think of going there.
That's what we got now, yeah.
Cato,
What, are they just cheesy or are they just...
they're meant, they have starter sets.
Yeah, that's what we
to
got.
entice people to get
Yeah, we
into
had the CXX starter set on that.
Yeah, you buy that and you take it and you throw it against the wall because they break the junk.
Yeah, it's already.
Atlas. Now, there's two types of Atlas. Atlas is an import. Years ago, I used to buy products from Cato.
Look at this city, though.
Now they're buying
So
from China.
cool.
It's junk. So if you can get older Atlas that has the Cato.
This city is actually so cool.
No, it sucks.
It's called
It
Trainville.
sucks.
Broadway Limited is another.
It's called Trainville.
Are you from the island? Are you from here or are you from?
Most of our shows are on here.
Yeah, no, 'cause we went to the guy from Belmore here. I mean, I don't know, but he's like, his prices are way out the, wow,
I got stuff to sell you.
way over the top.
Great cars.
You got a card or?
No, I can give you my phone number.
But what do you sell? What do you? The guy in Belmore by the train station, he's like out of control with his prices. Oh, they filmed Sopranos here. Big fucking deal, dude. I'm like, you know? Well,
Oh, there goes the bullet train.
yeah.
Woo! That's a lot of freight.
Yeah.
Like last spring, they had a warehouse
How about over here? Could you come any minute now?
really low.
Trying to get him, you know, he's got the wooden train. I put wooden trains already.
How about no?
CXX.
Take
Boston,
a
obviously.
look. That's so
Used it, he doesn't use it. His friend came over and they're like, oh, look.
Well, you know, for kids, you want something that's kind of sturdy.
Yeah.
I have Tyco.
Oh,
Yeah. Don't use up the whole thing, dude.
I'm not.
That's his monster, yeah. Yes.
All right, this is the last one.